This is the Elephant Mountain hike. It's a popular one. There's about 10,000 reviews on Google and there's about 10,000 people walking up and down. I assume there's going to be a plethora of people at the top. Just waiting for that photo moment, you know. I'll give you some stats. It's about a 20-minute drive out of the CBD and you get excellent views of Taipei 101 from the top, which is a really tall looking building. Holy. All the people leading to that rock over there, they're all in a line to get the photo. It's kind of funny, but it's kind of frustrating at the same time. I'd rather go to a place that's less crowded and not as beautiful. Yeah. For me, doing a hike with this many people and it being this crowded kind of takes the specialness away from it. So I'd rather do a hike that's illegal and has less people, or a hike that's really hard so it attracts less people, just because it's more special. You feel like you've conquered something at the top. Still would definitely recommend this hike. It is really easy. There's just a bunch of steps and the views are spectacular at the top. There's just a lot of crowds to contend with. Enjoy. Catch ya.
Catch you in the next one.